Greetings folks, William Caleb Rogers back at you with another video, and today we're going to go over some affiliate marketing strategies. This is some affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, how to make money online with affiliate marketing for beginners and experts as well. And the main thing that we're going to discuss is having an affiliate sales funnel, a high converting affiliate marketing sales funnel. That's what you need. Well, what is a sales funnel? Sales funnel is simply a sequential group of web pages or marketing messages, which the marketing messages can be on the web pages, of course, which get presented to a prospect at strategic points along the evolutionary sales ladder. You know, it's been discovered scientifically in marketing that it takes at least 7 touch points before the average person comes to the decision of actually buying a thing, of actually pulling out their debit card or their credit card and buying that thing. It's going to take them at least 7 touch points. Now, those can come via marketing message, ads, via emails, via articles, via all kinds of videos, and various different forms of online content and even offline content in some instances, because before there was the internet, well, there was always sales funnels. They were just done on the radio, TV commercial, billboards, things of this nature, and through even home meetings. These were the various ways that those touch points were being met. But now with the internet, it's far easier because we can just put web pages. And so the sales funnel has greatly evolved in today's time. And since we're dealing with how to make money online via affiliate marketing, let's first quickly define affiliate marketing. Simple as it put, you're a salesman. You sell other people's products and services that you didn't make, and they simply give you a cut of the commissions. Most of the times the commissions can be 50 to 75%, sometimes lower. Like with Amazon's affiliate program, it's like 2 to 5% on most of their stuff, which Amazon has great products, but the commissions are just so extremely tiny, and they take a minimum of at least like 2 months before you even get a paycheck from them after your sale is made. So it doesn't make it viable. What I'm going to show you is an affiliate marketing funnel with all the affiliate marketing web pages included, all the email follow-ups, all the ads, all the copywriting, even the payment buttons, everything, the graphics, everything is done for you. You simply go in and put in your ID. You simply let my team, that I'm going to show you in just a second, build this whole sales funnel for you. And what they're going to do is they're going to put it on your server under your domain name. It's going to have your picture on it, your info on it. You are going to be the authority affiliate marketer with this brand new 100% done for you plug and play affiliate marketing sales funnel. Now what this means is you can start profiting today. Remember how I said with other affiliate programs, they take so long to pay? Well, with this funnel, you'll get paid instantly at the moment of sale via PayPal. Simple. As soon as the sale is made, the money is automatically sent to your PayPal debit card. Works real simple. And you're getting paid 100% commission. Let's take a look at this sales page so you can get a little bit more clearer idea. And of course, you can go to wcrpro.info/newbie sales machine to see this particular page. Now let's see what we're looking at here. As you can see, there's a video. You can press play to hear the video. But what you're basically getting is your own membership, 300 plus video membership. It's like a Udemy type site. You know, Udemy, the e-learning site, has different courses teaching people many different subjects, and all they do is log in and watch the training videos. Same thing here, but the only subject we're going to talk about with these video trainings is internet marketing and how to start an online business successfully. That's what these 300 plus videos go over. They're very detailed, and you're going to be given your own membership site that showcases and has all these videos behind a secure, protected membership wall. They will have to pay and then create a password in order to see these videos. You will be charging a fee. You'll be given the sales page, and I'll show you how that sales page looks right here. This is what you're going to be given. And here's how the page looks. High converting sales video there that they're going to be given. Look at all the great graphics you're about to see. And this same page is going to be your website. It's going to have your info on here. It's going to be your domain. And look at all the training. So 300 plus videos. You see every lesson has a bunch of videos to it. They're going to learn everything. And when I say everything, I mean everything about starting an online business. From the technical, how to make the actual pages, to even if they don't want to make the pages, where to get it outsourced from, how to get traffic. All of that. Everything's going to be given. What are the tools they need to use? How to put this whole thing together. That's what you're giving. That's the training. Just want you to take a little bit more look here. Whole lot they're getting here. And even after they purchase this, they'll also be taken to an upsell, one-time offer, and you'll also get paid on that. And both of these pay you instant pay, instant commissions at the moment of sale. That's how it looks. That's how it looks, folks. And that's going to be your site. Many testimonials from real users. You can look these people up and you'll see they are real. They have all used this particular system that you'll find at wcrpro.info. Newbie sales machine. That's that, folks. This will give you an idea of the flow of the funnel. If you just take a look here, you see different traffic methods that you use. We'll go to the squeeze page, which simultaneously sends them to the main sales page, the main offer, and at the same time starts sending them 50 strategic follow-up emails, which entertain and also make future offers at the same time. Of course, the sales page, they'll be offered the upsell. They'll be integrated into the system where we have many higher ticket products on the back end. All down the line, they'll be continuously marketed to. And you'll also get commissions on those as well. That's all built for you, all done for you by my team. We're building all this out. Even the 50 emails, like I said earlier, all of that is going to be done for you. You'll just need a hosting account with a good hosting company and an Aweber autoresponder account to load these emails up to so that everything can be automated. We're going to do all the building, all the copywriting. You're going to give us your hosting info and your autoresponder info, and we're simply going to set up everything for you. That's right. That's what you're getting with this system. You'll be making so many instant commission sales that you'll never look back. And you'll wonder, where has this system been all along? And as you can see, these are some of the conversions that have been received from this very same funnel. An awesome high converting affiliate marketing funnel. It's going to make you instant commissions. Instant commissions. Once again, that's over at wcrpro.info/newbie sales machine. Come on in right now, folks. I don't know how long we can go ahead and keep this discount going. It's a very, very low cost investment for having a full affiliate marketing sales funnel. All the web pages, all the marketing messages, the upsells, the graphics, the copy, everything done for you, but giving you the licensing right, giving you the full image of authority to your prospect so they'll know you're the one to trust in this marketplace. Folks, I don't know what else to tell you. This is an awesome offer. It's all you really need to make some instant commissions. You may have seen some online business opportunities that will say that you can get instant commissions and whatnot, and this is this, but all you're really doing is just promoting a system for a payment to someone else so they can promote the same system for a payment. You see what I'm saying? You're just doing that over and over. There's not as much value. Here, you're giving people real training and building an audience at the same time, and you're also giving them a way to make money. It's a total win-win. That's the best type of business. The business where you and your customer both win. That's wcrpro.info/newbie sales machine. Once again, I'm William Caleb Rogers. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.